Well, welcome to the Greater Toronto area, where it is presently 11 degrees, and I'm out for a walk to head over to Yonge Street, which is about a 25 minute walk. And as you can see, the snow is nearly gone, the sidewalks and the roads are clear, and tomorrow we're going to have rain, which will get rid of all of it. And I think we've kind of turned the corner in terms of freezing weather, albeit that we'll end up getting some additional snow before the end of April, I would imagine, as is normal. But at least the worst is behind us. I was going to get my license plate renewal today, however, my battery's dead, and therefore I can't read the odometer, and you need that when you're applying for a new sticker. So I'll need to get the battery charged before I do that. Anyway, just it's great to be outside and not have a hat and gloves and a heavy coat on. Can get out here with a lighter jacket and sweater, and that keeps me comfortably warm. So I just did a kind of 2-hour broadcast under StreamYard of my model railway, and basically broadcasting out to the model railway community, and in particular MRYCG, the model railway group in YouTube, where there are a number of members who have great layouts, and many of them broadcast on a weekly basis over YouTube, and have some lively discussions. And today's discussion was about the letter sent out from YouTube regarding having to declare income to the US income tax department. So it was very unclear in the beginning. The way it works is that many YouTubers derive a little bit of income from having subscribers on YouTube, but in addition to that, they have Patreons, which means for a couple of dollars you can support the creator on a monthly basis and be party to some additional information, videos, etc. Given that you're interested in that particular stuff. So some of them be making a couple of coins here and there, but we're not talking millions of dollars here. Anyway, so further discussion turned it to, well, all you have to do is sort of declare it in their case, for the most part, British inland revenue, and then it would be taken care of from there. My only input was, well, as a non-resident of the US, holding shares of an American company, I have to declare whatever interest I make or dividends I make, which are then subject to a US withholding tax, and this has to be done every year. So it might end up that it's not really going to impact the model railway group, but just think, a lot of these guys make just a little bit of income. Yeah, thanks for the bus. Cheers. So If you just think about it, there is a lot of effort put into making a video. If you're posting on YouTube, you got to set it all up, you got to have the equipment, you got to film it, you got to edit it, you got to post it, you got to add graphics and so on and so forth, and that's a fair amount of effort. So as I said, some of them make a few dollars here and there, which helps support that effort, and also enables them to buy the odd locomotive or wagon that they would then include in their broadcast, and taking that away is a bit of a shame. So hopefully that won't happen. Anyway, I'm quite enjoying it. It's interesting, keeps me busy, and I've always liked trains, so really simple, a no-brainer. Yeah, so the trees are bare. Look at this, snow removal, $390 for the year. But we've only had, 2 or 3 snowstorms where I had to get the snowblower out. So that wasn't such a good deal. But yeah, it's I think it's steadily going to improve from here on. And as soon as the snow goes and the lawns are a bit more solid, they'll be able to get out and start tending to the lawn. Anyway, as you can see, it's a nice sunny day. The sky's relatively clear and blue, and I hope it is for you too, wherever you are. Anyway, I'll sign off now, and we'll catch you all later. Bye for now.